NFette is an interest-earning AMM Factory which takes ERC721 tokens and mints new ERC20 SHARE tokens that can be sold to buyers. So for our hack, we are making it as easy as possible to turn future creative work into interest-bearing NFT markets so creators can gain funding with added interest. Here is a demo of how creating an NFette Factory AMM contract address will work. If the creator has not yet made an NFT for their future piece, they can here. Then this gets carried to where the creator can set the initial price and collateral type they wish to accept for their market. Then they can choose the pricing structure with 3 different variants in the curve. Next, they can choose their risk strategy for earning interest. The collateral collected from selling the shares will be mirrored as deposits into Aave lending pools, earning interest by leveraging the Aave protocol's A-token contracts. Lastly, the contract address is created, ready to be used for selling the ERC20 SHARE tokens. When the creator has their new market contract address, they can start accepting collateral from their shareholders. In this kind of market, a buyer will be able to interact freely, buying and withdrawing from the NFT market contract anytime the market is open. In the end, which we have not yet built as part of our hack, the creator will be able to close the market with a flick of a switch, causing the NFT market contract to distribute the ERC20 SHARE tokens to all 100 shareholders, trigger redemption of the collateral from the lending pool, and allow the creator to withdraw the collateral with interest as funding for their work. In this way, both creators and buyers benefit from staying in the market while it is open and waiting for the market to come to a natural close once all the SHARE tokens are sold. This tool will be suited for any reputable creator who has willing shareholders waiting for their next project piece to drop. If the creator has a limited edition work or work that is collectible, then offering willing buyers shares to co-own before it is complete will entice both parties to pre-fund the work and follow through with creating it. The example shown here in our factory tool is just one application of this idea. Perhaps it could be used as an integration on Audius's platform for recording artists to fund their albums. NFette could also be adapted to work as a Kickstarter, even going as far as making intellectual property for the creative work, the NFT itself. NFette, allowing creators to gain upfront funding for their next creation before they make it.